There is nothing better than going out to take photos, apart from when it's not good to go out to take photos, such as recent times when the weather has been officially a bit of a knobhead. I've been testing out a couple of Sigma lenses and that just ended up getting a bit of a shower along with my C70, and then I got presented with a brand new water feature inside of my house on my staircase. Lovely cascading waterfall coming down thanks to a leak in the roof. Weather officially crap. But never mind, because Rotolight's got some brand spanking new lights. This is the pro version of that. They've got a Kickstarter out for this. But thankfully, these are the kind of products that you don't need to take out to test. Well, technically you can, because they can be battery powered as well, but water and lights, not really a good combination. Now, when you think of professional grade products, what do you think? You think of a spec loaded with all of the high-end goodies and a more workhorse-like body. Well, this body is pretty much the same as that horse body. The juicy bits, let me switch this off first. That's the Pro off. Go full whack. Freaking hell! Let me try that. F8 and be blind, because this is very bright. This is the non-Pro version. The Pro is 25% brighter. Let's try that out. Bump it up, pump up the volume. Seems about as bright. It's 25% brighter. I mean, I can evaluate it based on the burning smell of my retinas on fire. Is it 25% brighter? Woo! Let's have 100% plus 100%. Freaking hell. I'm just gonna be seeing like two bright donuts when I go to sleep tonight. But anyway, the point is, they're both quite bright. It's just that this one is 25% brighter. Of course, these lights are good for video, for continuous lighting. Let me switch them down a bit, because that is way too much. Yeah, one cool thing is that you can use Rotolight as a flash as well. Now, the non-Pro version, which was released, a few months ago, that's only compatible with Elinchrom triggers. The Pro version works with Elinchrom, obviously, and also Godox, Newer, and Pix Pro. Another perk is that you can easily change the color of the flash. Unlike a regular flash, because these have 16.7 million colors to choose from, and if you use one color per day for every day of your life, you'll still have millions of colors left to explore by the time you're dead. They're lights that work well for hybrid shooters because they're kind of hybrid lights too. Plus, you've got the special effects, haven't you? So not only do they have the Pro version of the EOS, which is up there, that's the big one, they also have a Pro version of the NEO3. But let me show you the special effects. They've got new ones. They've got all the same ones as before. That's fire, to make my bum look like it's on fire. Freeze! I'm gonna poke you! Gunshot. Boom, 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 boom. Of course, my gun wouldn't be making that noise, but let's have a more realistic sound effect there. Let's just get to new ones, yeah? Party! Of course, my dance moves are actually better than this in real life. I'm just doing this to make myself look seriously uncool. The other new one is perfect for this time of year. Similar kind of colours, but these are fireworks. Fireworks on my bum. Wow, that's a hell of a curry I had last night. Throb. I don't know why an alien is throbbing at my backside. Wow, wow, wow. Candle. Well, there's a lot of heat. There's a lot of heat coming out from my backside. Yeah, and then you've got Master's Favourites, which is basically all of Rotolight's ambassadors' favourite colours. So that's it. We'll end with a party and my backside, or rather fireworks and my backside. That's a Pro version of the EOS and also NEO3. The NEO3 is the more portable version, although technically you can take this out as well with a battery. But yeah, essentially it adds more power and more compatibility, more effects. Now, if you already got the non-Pro version, you might want to compare the specs and the features to figure out if you really want to splash the cash on the Pro version, because that already offers up a lot for the money. If I had just that, I'll be happy with that. But I don't, I've got that as well. So with the added features, this will be my #1 light for video, and that's gonna be the #1 light for making my bum look like it's on fire. This video is sponsored by Squarespace. If you want to set up your own domain, online retail space, or website, it's super simple to get started and make your next move with Squarespace. With an easy to use interface filled with loads of templates and backed up with 24/7 customer service. You can try it out with a 14-day free trial and get 10% off your first order with this link and discount code.